All right, today we're going to be talking about Facebook CBO and why this is important and how it affects your Facebook ad efforts moving forward. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I apologize if it's loud. The team right now is playing music, having a cookout, everyone's working, having a great time. But I decided to make this video because it's very important just to talk about. There's a lot of marketers that are like kind of upset about Facebook making this new budget update, but then there's also a lot of people who are good, like happy with it, which is me, and it actually is like a really, really good thing, and I'm going to explain why. So right now, let's jump into my computer and go over the article that Facebook has written about it and kind of talk a little bit more about it in detail. Let's do it. All right, guys, so let's talk about this. So recently, Facebook just announced that starting after September 19th, like basically they're making this new change to the budget. So normally with Facebook, what happens is we set the ad budget at the ad set level, right? So like for each ad set, so the different audiences that we have, we will set like, $20 for this ad set, etc., right? So let's go to one of my ad accounts and let's talk about it. But here, let's go here first. Okay, so let's read this article. So if you guys want to go to this, it's pretty good. So about campaign budget optimization migration. So with campaign budget optimization, you'll be able to set one central campaign budget for all your ad sets, and will automatically and continually distribute the budget in real time to your top performing ad sets. So the reason why this is good, everybody, like the reason why this is good is because you're able to be more effective with your like audience testing compared to previously, where you did a hypothesis and you figure out which audiences you think you're going to work, and then look at them and then remove the ones that aren't working and put more spend against the ones aren't working. That's like kind of the traditional way of doing it, right? That's how everyone's always done it. But now let me show you what this means. Like Facebook is forcing this on us on September. So let's go to create a campaign. Let's say we're doing conversions, but this right here is the difference. So you see where it says budget optimization. So we're just setting a full campaign budget, right? So like the campaign is not going to be broken down in the ad set level anymore. So not like $20 here, $20 there. It's like, okay, we want $100 across all the ad sets. And then it's going, Facebook, like it says here, is going to distribute the money to whichever ad set is performing the best, right? So this is actually going to help us in our marketing efforts. And the reason, honestly, like the difference is that it's just going to make marketers have to have higher relevancy. So our audience and our audience and our creative have to have a higher relevance for this to work. And as long as you do that, you're going to be successful with this. So I would not stress over it. I would actually be happy for it. And so that's why I'm making this video, just to give you an update as to what's going to happen. So let's go more in depth here. So let's say we want $100 here. Let's go to the ad set level. Let's just, we'll just do a random. Doesn't really matter here. But instead, see how we're not setting the budget here anymore, right? So there's no budget at the ad set level, which you can still do it right now, but as of starting September 19, they're erasing it. So let's just pick a quick little image here. Let's just use that image, and then let's say learn how you can, learn how you can get results with Facebook today, right? So say that's like our thing, website. We don't even need a website. Headline. Actually, yeah, we do. So let's just do linkclients.com. Headline. Learn more today. This is just an example for you guys. Bam. Okay, right? So then we'll launch this campaign. So, again, I'm sorry for the music, guys. I just thought this was important, and the team's just whatever. I'm not going to bother them. All right, so see we have this campaign in the budget. You see here the difference. Like look at the old campaigns I had in here. you don't see the budget here, using ad set budget. But now it says budget and it's $100 daily. And so it's going to distribute to all these. So let's just duplicate this real fast. And let's say we do like 5 here. We'll just duplicate all this. And say these are all different audiences, right? Let's just publish these. Publish draft items. So then you see here, we have all the ad sets. So instead of us having to say, okay, I think this audience is going to work, so I'm going to put $10 on this one, $10 on this one, $10 on this one, $10 on this one, right? We just have $100, and then Facebook is going to distribute that $100 to the ad sets that are performing for us, right? So it kind of makes things better, because before, right, we had to go through here and manually like look at the data and figure out which one is yielding the best results given our, you know, what we want to happen. So Facebook's going to just do this automatically, and then you'll be able to see that and optimize that way and just delete them, right? So let's jump back over to my camera. If you guys want to learn more about it, I mean, really this article is kind of short, but you can just do some more research on it. But it's actually a really good thing. So yeah, let's jump back over. So guys, this is actually going to be a good thing. Don't stress about it. It's going to make testing audiences and just, it's Facebook's way of making the algorithm better. You know what I mean? Like Facebook's always making changes to make the experience for the advertiser better, because Facebook has like really 3 things it's trying to accomplish, and they're in order. 1, they want to have a good customer experience. So when you're running ads, Facebook's goal is to make sure that the audience is getting a good experience. Number 2 is they want to make money, right? And then number 3 is they need to make a good experience for the advertisers, because that's what makes them money, right? So that's kind of everything for this video, guys. Don't stress about it. It's actually going to be way better. I just want to make this quick little update for you, those of you that were not aware of this. So hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more marketing tips. And if you're interested in starting your own online advertising agency, I have lots of videos on that on the channel. I also have a free group down below that you can check out. And it's a free group of people who are all starting their own marketing agency and just collaborating, lots of good stuff. So thank you guys so much again for watching. This has been Elliot Drake. I'll see you guys in the next ones. Peace.